Hello students, welcome to the science class. Now today we are going to start the new chapter. In this chapter we will discuss about the sorting materials into the groups. Okay. So in this chapter what you will study? We will study about the classification of the materials into the different groups, as the chapter's name is sorting material into groups. So what are the different ways by which we can group the things? As one example that I am going to give you. Now I am having some books. Yes, you can see these books. Okay. So what happens? If all the books and notebooks are together, it's very difficult to identify the book in the library also. So what we are doing in the library is, here I am going to show you that I have separated the books of science, one side that you can see the science books, and another hand that what I have, these are the notebooks. So I have separate the two groups, classified as a notebook and books. So same thing in our daily life we are using for grouping the things. So grouping the things is also known as classification. Okay, classification. So how we are classifying the things? Classification of the things is also known as the sorting material. That means how we are classifying the things into the different groups on the basis of the material. First, on the basis of the material, by which material it is made. For example, as chair. Okay. So how the chair it can be made up of wood. Yes. Okay. It can be made up of plastic. Okay. So the same thing, one thing that I have chair, but the material what we are using, we are classifying the things on the basis of material as a plastic material or a wooden material. So it means a same thing it can be made by the different materials. A chair it can be made by wood or a plastic or maybe iron also. So different materials, what are these? These are the different materials which we can use to make the chair. So the same thing is made by the different materials, and the different materials we can use for making the same thing. And this clear? Sorting materials. So why we are sorting the materials? By which we can identify the things very easily. If we are not grouping the things in a proper way, so it's very difficult to identify. As that you have seen in the library, the books are classified into different groups according to the subject. Okay, according to the subject we are classifying. Yes, what are the different subjects we are using? Now the subjects as in the library as English, Hindi. Okay, so in the different groups, the books of English and Hindi, they are arranged in the different shelf, same with the name of the author, as maybe in the form of alphabetical order, as which are started with A, they are kept in a one shelf, which are started with B, they are kept in the another shelf. Clear, student? So the classifying the materials. Clear? Now the materials. Okay, is all the things in our surrounding is made up of matter. So what is matter? What is matter? Clear? First thing is clear. Sorting material is also known as classification. The same material is used for making the different things and the things which can be made by the different material. So what is matter? Matter, that anything which occupies space and has a mass, okay, is known as matter. Anything, whatever which can be occupied space, जो जगह लेगी, जैसे now this notebook occupy space, इसमें ये एक space इस बुक ने ये अपने लिए एक जगह ऑक्यूपाई किया, इसने कवर की. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग, इट हैज मास, इसका कुछ मास है, दैट इज नोन एज अ मेटल. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, दैट्स फाइन. So now please revise the top portion. Thank you. Have a nice day.